So yeah, this is what I'm looking like. And today is Tuesday, the 7th of December. And next Tuesday in a week, that will make my a month I've had these in, my starter locks. And that's also when well, it doesn't, actually Sunday marks a month, but I don't go see my loctician until Tuesday, next Tuesday. And so she's gonna wash my hair because I have not washed my hair since I've had these in. And yeah, I don't really, of course they've gotten frizzy since I've installed them, but I don't think my hair is budding. I haven't really been doing anything to it though. I do have some rose water, which I'll spray when I get out the shower, like not every day, probably like twice a week. And then I'll oil it like once a week, maybe twice a week. But for the most part, that's all I'm doing. And when I lay down, anytime I lay down, I wear something on my head so that my hair doesn't get, you know, all raggedy. But yeah, so maybe it is budding and I can't tell, or I got a little buzz or something. I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys, if I haven't already, I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of my hair, even though you can see it now. But yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. I haven't really been doing anything at all to my hair, to the locks. I personally don't have an issue with how they look. Even though they've gotten frizzy, I actually like it. So I don't want to jinx myself, but maybe this early stage, the next couple months, I'm not gonna, because some people say they have an ugly stage. Maybe it's not really gonna be an ugly stage to me, because I'm used to wearing two-strand twists in my hair for long periods of time. As you can see, if you look back on some of my other videos, or braids for a long time. So, and they get frizzy eventually too, and I don't really care. So, so yeah, I have a lot of gray hair coming up though, and I want to get my hair colored, but I'm thinking I might wait. I definitely want to wait until my hair is locked all the way. But maybe like 6-month mark or 1-year mark. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys just some pictures, and I will see you later. Oh no, I'll see you when I come back on this same video showing my retwist. Hey everyone, so I was supposed to get my hair retwisted, washed and retwisted today, and it didn't happen. I don't know if I need to like find a backup person or something, because it's like the second time she did this when it come to my my locks. When I first was going to get them installed, I was like literally, well, when I was first going to get them installed, she asked if I could come an hour later. I was like, okay. And then I was on my, and then when the time came and I was like literally around the corner, and she had to reschedule. Her kid got sick, which I understand. And then today I was supposed to go, and she said she had to reschedule again. So I guess I'm going to get it done on Sunday. But yeah, I want to give you guys what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. It's frizzy, but I don't mind the frizziness at all. I have some new growth. I I guess it's new growth. I'm assuming it's new growth. I would think, I mean, I would like to think that my hair did grow. So, yeah. You can get a better look at it in the light. So, if I'm making, you know, at this point, it's taking so long to get an updated video out. I don't know if I had video clips before this or not, or if it's just going to be a video by itself. I have no clue. I actually like my hair. It's frizzy, and you know, I have grays and stuff like that, but I actually enjoy this look. I like it. This is me. This is a hairstyle. I know it's gonna change. I apologize about, I'm sitting at the bus stop waiting on my son to come, and I'm right by the road, so yeah, I apologize about the sound noise. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I don't know if I have any budding because I just don't know, but I wanted you guys to be able to see what it's looking like up close. And yeah, obviously I haven't washed, well, not obviously, because some people do wash theirs, but I did not wash it. And I was actually looking forward to her washing my hair and like that whole massage and scalp thing. But yeah, I'm not getting that done today. So I just have like 6 more days and then I can get it done. The only thing I've been doing to it is like once or twice a week I'll spray it with rose water. And then I have this this oil I got from Amazon. It comes in like 3 bottles. One's avocado, almond, jojoba oil. I think it's just 3. I just randomly pick one of them up and I'll just like oil my hair, like put it on my scalp, but like everywhere. And I don't do that too much. I've done it like maybe once a week some weeks, and then like twice a week some weeks, but for the most part that's all I've done. It's okay. It's not as dry as I thought it was gonna be. Actually, after I put which oil was that? The avocado oil in my hair the last time. That was like 4 days ago, and I still feel like it's got some type of oil in it. So yeah, but I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this video. So the next clip is either gonna be me showing you guys my hair done, or me at the salon, or I don't know. So let's just see what happens. Give it a second. My hair a day later. I can definitely tell it's, well, I feel like it's grown compared to last time. She did not wash it with shampoo. She said this first wash would be with, she said it was an antiseptic, and it smelled very, very minty, and it was very, very cold to my scalp. I set over the I laid back over the sink. She pulled it all over my hair, everywhere, my scalp. I sat there for like, I don't know, 8 minutes, I don't know. And then she washed it out with water. And then I went to the dryer, and from the dryer, I went to the seat, and she proceeded to do my hair. She did say it's budding, which that's a good thing. She said it had already started budding, and that, what did she say? I said I could stretch it out to every 6 weeks if she wanted to. And she's like, for now, just for the next couple sessions, she didn't want me to do that because she didn't want my dreads, or she didn't want my locks to be bumpy. Because she said, like, yeah, I don't want that either. So the first, at least the next session, and maybe the next one after that, it'll be on the 5 week mark. And then after that, I can stretch it out a little bit longer, but she didn't want it to look how I don't want it to look. So we were on the same page when it came to that. But I wanted to show you guys what they're looking like. Yes, I have my little gray hairs, but eventually down the line, I'm gonna dye my hair. So it gives me plenty of time to think about what color I want to dye them, because I have no clue right now still. But yeah, so what do you guys think? My hair is thin, but as they grow, I'm pretty sure they're gonna lock and get thicker. So, but yeah, this video is long enough. And if you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs up this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that little notification bell so that you don't miss the next video I post about these locks. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.